All right, 7th graders, this is to help you with question 5 on CR number 12. It says solve for n, and you have 121 plus n equals 84. All right, I'm going to teach you the process for solving equations that your teachers will want you to use, okay? We're trying to get n all by itself. In order to get n all by itself, we have to remove this 121 from this side of the equation, from this side of the equal sign. Whatever you do to one side of the equal sign, you must do to the other side of the equal sign. So in order to move this 121 away from the n, I'll have to subtract 121. If I'm subtracting 121 on the left side of the equal sign, I have to subtract 121 from the right side of the equal sign. 121 minus 121 zeroes out. So the nice thing is the only thing left on this side, it could be 0 plus n or just n. And that's the goal when solving equations. You want to get n alone on one side of that equal sign. All right, so now we have 84 minus 121. I'm going to do a little scrap off to the side. You're going to see the signs are different. I'll find the difference. So I'm going to do 121 minus 84. Keep in mind that's scrap off to the side. Signs are different. This one's positive. This is negative. I'm finding the difference. So I have to take 121 and take away 84. Can't take 4 from 1. Borrow from the 2. The 2 becomes a 1. This becomes an 11. 11 minus 4 is 7. Borrow from this 1. That becomes a 0. This becomes an 11. 11 minus 8 is 3. So I know I have a 37 here. Then I have to look, what do I have more of? Oh, I have more negatives. So my answer is negative 37. That's just my scrap work off to the side. Now we can check to be sure n really is negative 37. We have 121 plus n equals 84. That was the original. We've just found out that n is negative 37. So in place of n here, I'm going to put a negative 37. So I have 121 plus, instead of n, I put negative 37. And I'm hoping that's 84. I can't just assume it is. I actually have to simplify this side. Plus a negative becomes a minus. So it's 121 minus 37. I'm hoping that's 84. I'm not sure. This would be my scrap work off to the side. I would take 121 and I would take away 37. And I cross my fingers that I end up with an 84. So I can't take 7 from 1. Borrow from that 2. That 2 becomes a 1. This becomes an 11. 11 minus 7 is 4. I can't take a 3 from a 1. Borrow from this 1. This 1 becomes a 0. This becomes an 11. 11, I really should have put that 0 on the, or that 1 on the other side. That becomes an 11. All right, 11 minus 3 is 8. Woohoo! This does simplify down to 84. And what did we say it had to equal? We said it had to equal 84. So that checks, and that tells you that negative 37 is the correct answer. When you're starting into the second half of this unit and you're going to be solving equations, doing a check just tells you that the answer you came up with definitely worked. All right, I hope that helps.